How do we give business and data analysts the power of custom dash development without code? Make code totally optional, allow users to just use natural language, but deliver the result in a fraction of the time, right? How do we deliver those insights at the speed of thought? You have a question, ask it and get the result. How do we make all of your data actionable? How do we ensure that your data is not going stale and that you have a companion to help you sift through it and understand what value is there, right? And last but not least, how do we make it even easier and faster to share insights with your colleagues and with the world? And that's really where Pli Studio was born. This is a brand new desktop application from Plotly that promises to take you from your data to a production-ready data app in 2 minutes flat. And we're going to demo this today and show you what we mean. You can think of it kind of like vibe coding, but for data apps, though there are a few caveats we'll get into. It's fully natural language driven. The code is 100% optional. And what's great about it is we're leveraging the power of the LLM to give us domain-specific analysis. We're actually shocked at just how accurate and how knowledgeable the LLMs are about all of these use cases. And you'll probably be blown away at the type of application it can develop with no context steering at all. We're really just sharing a data profile and it can build you a beautiful, insightful data application in just a matter of minutes. Now, you may be wondering, but wait, why Studio? You just mentioned, several other, options we have, right, with regard to generative AI. And sure, you could be using one of the fancy new AI-powered IDEs. We certainly are. We want better out-of-the-box default. We want to ensure that you don't need any prior knowledge of Dash to get started and build something amazing. And we want to get you to build production apps faster. Even with those vibe coding tools I just mentioned, you still have to do a fair bit of iteration to produce a pretty outstanding application. And we want to see if we can cut that down as much as possible. Secondly is around data privacy and security. Working with large enterprise customers, we're keenly aware that they might need to use private LLMs, right? They might need to be able to audit all of the interactions that are going through that LLM, and they also need enterprise-grade security for their data, and that's yet another value proposition of Pli Studio. These are the core features we're going to ship with. Right now, the product is in early access. We'll talk more about that program in a few minutes. But suffice to say, you'll be able to bring a CSV or Parquet dataset to Pli Studio and then run it through AI-driven app generation that gets you to a production-level app in just about 2 minutes. So you may be wondering, well, what's the LLM that's powering this? How does it work? And that's a great question. So in this slide, let's look at the left half of this slide. You'll see that Pli Studio going through Plotly Cloud is using our public but managed LLM. Under the hood, we're actually using Claude Sonnet 4.0, and we manage that access and all of the usage for you. So it couldn't be easier to get started. Let's get started. We're going to create a brand new project. And you'll see here, we need to upload some data into the tool. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to go to my desktop and find my demo data, and I'm going to add World Bank data from 2025. This has about 18 columns, 3,500 rows, right? It's fairly small, but I think it'll serve our purposes pretty well today. Once I've chosen my data set, I can provide some general context and goals for this application. All right, so as you can see, we've generated our outline, and this is the app it's going to build. It's going to build us a global economic indicators data app, a comprehensive analysis of economic indicators across 217 countries. Awesome. Okay, this looks pretty good. We're going to start the generation. So right now, what it's doing is going out, it's creating a plan, and now that we have our charts here, it's actually it's creating these in parallel. So we're going to finish this process in a little under 2 minutes. As you can see, the app has been built and we got what we asked for, a global economic indicators data app.